Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Newport Richey out on Marlin Drive, out on the water, on the fingers there. And we're going to do a 3-car garage. But this garage is certainly busy with a lot of different things going on. So we're not going to do baseboards on this job. And so what the customer has done is he's floated an overlayment here. As well as over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to honor the height that he's built in, but we're going to feather this into this slab, which is not an original slab, and we're going to tie all this slab into the original slab. And also we're doing a lot of work on this sidewalk, this little elevation. So what Lauren's doing now is she's rounding the edges over to give a nice smooth round over. So we have some previous thin set that we're going to have to remove. We have some previous carpet glue that we're going to remove. And this deck is going to be a slightly different color than the rest of the floor, which makes a lot of sense so that when people walk in, it won't be one continuous color. And they'll be aware of this step up. And now what we're going to have to do too is we're going to fill this void here, and just give everything a nice seamless finish. We're going to incorporate this into that a little bit better. So there's quite a bit going on here. And here we got Chuck. Okay, so this is the conclusion of day 2. We did all our prep, all our repairs. What we did here was to tie this all back in. We put a cove in. Just going to give it a much nicer look. There were a lot of repairs on this job. Again, we removed the carpet glue, thin set, rounded it all off. Tomorrow we're going to grind these repairs back down. And finally, some chips are going to hit this floor. So there were some deep cracks and divots. This had a electrical connection previously, or some copper pipe at least. So we got the deck all tied in. Now tomorrow we're going to smooth this all out. And again, we're doing 2 colors on this job. This was a pretty gnarly repair that we did here. I usually don't like doing these on the edge, but in this case this was really about 1 inch deep, so we had no choice but to fill it in. Tomorrow's another day. Okay, all finished. This is a 3-car garage, which is 2-tone. We had a lot of extensive repairs here. There are about 5 different types of floors we were working with, including addition to the slab. So here's our 2 tones, which is a subtle difference, just so you can really see the step as you walk in and you don't trip over yourself. And there's a cove that we built into the slab to the step and covered in a pretty big crack, which ran the whole length. And that cove really tied in things nice. So the customer is going to paint their garage, and then they're going to put in baseboards. It's really going to tie this garage in nice. Here's where we removed thin set and carpet glue. And here's where we did a lot of repairs. Getting this floor to even out. Now the customer is going to add pavers in their driveway. They're actually going to tear out this existing slab. So we left them a lip to bring the pavers right up to so they can butt them in. It'll give a nice finished look.